My journey from my hometown to NIT Trichy just now ended. So now I wait. How can you watch the end point of the journey without watching the whole journey? So let's start from the beginning. Hey guys, if you're new here, my name is Aditya and I'm currently a student at NIT Trichy, person BTech in Tripoli, and I make videos about college productivity and my experiences. So let's start the video. It all started on 1st November when I got a mail regarding entry of second years to the campus. The moment I got to know that I'll be going to the campus, I immediately wrote all the essential items that I need to buy and take to the college. Hello guys, today is 16th of November and the time now is nearly 11:30 p.m. or something like that. And my journey starts on 22nd November. So I started packing all the things, and I started packing a bit early because as I'm going to the campus for the first time, there are a lot of things that are needed to be taken care of. That's the reason I started packing early. My father actually booked a train to Trichy on the day the notice regarding entry to the campus came, but at the last minute my train got cancelled. Then my father booked a bus from my hometown, which is Vijayawada in Andhra Pradesh, to Chennai, where we need to catch another bus to Trichy. Today is 23rd of November and the time is at 10:26. So we just started from Chennai to Trichy. I think it's a 6 hour or 5.5 hour journey, I guess. So my voice is slightly different from other videos because of this traveling and all that. My voice got changed. So yeah. I thought of studying in the bus, but I couldn't. And the reason is, so most of the time I enjoyed the view outside while listening to music. Hello guys, I just woke up and today is 24th November and now the time is 4:30 a.m. or something like that. So, as we are in Trichy, the temple near Trichy is one of the famous temples called Sri Rangam. So I'll be going to there and visit the temple, and then I'll be going to campus. The lighting is good here, I guess. Since 1.5 years I've been in home, but yeah, the most awaited moment is within 5 years from now, and this is the first time for me of ever being in hostel, and it is also first time ever of being far from my parents. Uh, so yeah, I'm tense and excited at the same time. I don't know how the things are going to change now, but yeah. So within 5 or 10 minutes we'll reach the campus, I guess. I'm really tensed and excited at the same time. The person right here is my brother. He'll be writing 2022 mains in advance. He's in 12th standard right now. So yeah, that's the introduction about my brother. We'll reach in 3, 2, 1, and here's NITT. Yeah, you can actually see right there NIT Tiruchirappalli. So we have reached here.
So my journey from my hometown to NIT Trichy just now ended. So now I need to go to Barn Hall and there they'll allocate a hostel to me. In this wonderful moment, I got a wonderful line in my head which I want to share with you guys. My journey to campus just now ended, but a point where a journey ends is the same point where a new journey begins. My journey at NITT is going to begin in a few minutes. I hope it will be a long lasting memory.